Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. Now, as we said earlier, seniors 75 years or older started getting their COVID-19 vaccinations today. The procedure requires them to register before showing up for the vaccine. But how easy are these registration options for our seniors who may not be that familiar with technology? Dwayne Anderson explores the process.
A small group gathered outside the Santa Cruz Health Center in St. Elizabeth Monday afternoon. They were there to take the COVID-19 vaccine. We were told more than 30 people aged 75 and older were registered for vaccine appointments at that facility. Two were convinced by Mrs. Marshall. She is a retired nurse in St. Elizabeth.
This is why Jamaica is ranked so high with these communicable diseases, the baby them safe. For us to stem the flow of this coronavirus, everybody needs to get on board and come and get their vaccination.
So you carry persons to get vaccine?
Yes, I brought two of my church sisters here today to get theirs. One will be 90 come August and the other one will be 83 come October.
Shortly after, we caught up with Mrs. Grant. She is 90 and is one of the first over 75s vaccinated in St. Elizabeth.
To me, I feel it would be all right for us to get this vaccine. You know, it has been for everyone to take it, but some people don't want to take it, but I enjoy taking it.
In the meantime, people over 75 who wish to get the vaccine can get appointments using at least 6 methods, including phone calls and online. But what about members of that older age group who are not as technologically savvy to sign up themselves?
An important note to our 75 years and over, our seniors, is that you may ask a friend, relative or healthcare provider to assist you with booking an appointment.
Now we decided to navigate the ministry's Jam COVID website to see how user-friendly it is. I did the process twice, once with my correct age, but I was barred from registering as the site was only accepting appointments for people 75 and over, healthcare workers and frontline workers. I then tried again, using an incorrect age as an 80-year-old, and the appointment went through. I was given a date and a time slot from Thursday, March 25. In the end, it took about 2 minutes to book an appointment on my cell phone. We remind the public that this appointment was only to test the system, and we're therefore asking persons not to make fake appointments. Now back to the fake age I used to register. Persons who try to do this to cheat the system will have to prove their correct age on the day they turn up for their appointments. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton explained the process.
Once you come to the site, you'll be asked to present a government-issued ID or a letter from a justice of the peace testifying to your age. So you can use your electoral card, driver's license, or if you have difficulties, you can get the JP in the community to just pen a note attesting to your age, and you can take that.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.